Hi guys, welcome to Ben's Lab. This video I'd like to show you some things that I use to, or screen capturing apps that I use to make some of my space videos on my smartphone. You can do some pretty decent stuff if you look around. So let's venture out. The first app and the oldest app that I've been using is called Solar Explorer HD Pro. I paid for an upgraded version. Now first and foremost, I guess these apps are educational for space enthusiasts and astronomy buffs and whatnot. You can learn about individual planets. You can the effects in this one are pretty nice. The lighting effects, as you can see. There's Mercury there. They seem to have upgraded the mappings a little bit. There's a little bit more detail in the surfaces. There's some information that you can chase up on each particular body that you visit. All from Wikipedia, of course, good old Wikipedia. And we'll just move on. There's Venus there, heading back out to Mars now. One of my personal favourites. And
atoms.
Phobos.
Atoms are the building blocks of the universe.
I like Phobos. Anyway, not too bad graphics really for a little smartphone app. And you can set the orbits in motion. You can speed them up as you wish. You can slow them down as you wish. I don't think you can go backwards, but yeah, you can do a lot with it actually, and so you can just it's quite educational, and you can learn about the orbits and the distances between bodies and from their moons, from their planets and whatnot, etc. Yeah, so Phobos going around Mars. Deimos there, I'll show you Deimos. They have upgraded the textures and the surfaces in this app. It seems to look a lot nicer. But one cool little feature that this app does have is called spacecraft mode, and that basically is exactly what it says. You see those little controls that I'm operating on the screen there. You can fly through the solar system. There's the asteroid belt out there. I don't know if you can see it too clearly. I can speed up. Oh, here she comes. There she goes. Extreme sports. Whoop! Just missed one. It's just like that scene from The Empire Strikes Back when the Millennium Falcon is heading through the asteroid belt. It's a great way to waste a couple of hours, but I don't do such things, of course. I'm a motivated kind of guy. So we'll just head back to Earth. Saturn.
Hydrogen and helium are the two lightest elements.
Like I said, the shadows and the lighting effects are not too bad. So if you want to do some screen capture of the solar system, this one's pretty good. So let's head over there. Another app that I use is Solar System Scope. This is also available on computers as well. I have it on my laptop. It's obviously slightly better on the computer. This one's pretty good, I've got to say. Also, it's also quite educational. You can see the solar system or the night sky. You can basically point your phone anywhere you want, and then whatever your phone's pointed at, the relevant body or star is there on the screen. So let's explore Jupiter. There's the Jupiter system there. Take a look at other bodies in the Jovian system. Main moons, Europa, one of my personal favourites. Possible site of extraterrestrial life. Let's hope we visit there someday soon. But yeah, the graphics are not too bad. This one has a great little feature, which will come up soon. It's Callisto there. Nice looking graphics there. Some nice little information box will pop up. This one has see that little camera up in the top corner, top right hand. I'll show you in a second. You can press that and it just goes to what is essentially screenshot mode, which is exactly what it's for. So if you want to take pictures or videos, or screen capture videos, you can. This app doesn't have a flight mode like Solar System HD Pro, but that's not too bad. There's IO, one of my personal favorites. Let's set the wheels in motion. Okay, so you can see how close IO is to Jupiter in relation to Callisto, which we just saw. Pretty nice. So we can get rid of the use that camera up on the top right next to the little flags there to get rid of all the mess on the sides of the screen, on the left and the right, and explore. Now I'm not entirely convinced that some of these maps are that great. For instance, Ceres and Pluto don't seem to closely resemble images I've seen on the internet and whatnot, and other media sources, but it's pretty good. So that's the solar system there. You can zoom out, zoom in, Neptune, and so on and so forth. It's pretty cool. A lot of fun. Learn and have fun at the same time. So moving on. Now, solar system scope again. This must be another version of the same app. You can recognise by that weird Star Trek-y looking logo in the middle. This one takes a while to load up and do anything, and I don't actually like this app as much as its twin app or counterpart, because one, it seems to take a while to load up. Now, I am using just a smartphone. I know smartphones now are more powerful than the computers that sent people to the moon, but by today's standards, it's slightly slow. There's this introductory sequence. The graphics in this app are pretty nice, but where this app falls if you're looking to do screen capture is it starts out with all this mess all over the screen, constellations and lines and whatnot. There's a whole pile of settings there. You can get rid of those if you want, but they're there by default. So you have to mess around a little bit. And if you're looking to check out a planet in any kind of detail, yeah, you can go right ahead. I'll check out Mars. But all this stuff, Mars, planet system, encyclopedia, structure, etc., you can't make it go away. So all you've got is just that picture of the planet. You can zoom in and out. Learn lots and lots about it. It looks nice, but for screen capture, it's kind of crap. It's still good. Still a nice app if you want to learn about the planets, but if you're looking to do some recording for videos for YouTube or for your own viewing pleasure, etc., it doesn't fit the bill. So it's yeah, educational, quite educational, but yeah, I don't like it so much. I like the other solar system scope. Now the computer software package is identical, or is identical to the previous solar system scope I just showed you. More detailed, obviously, but essentially identical in the way you use it. So we'll just spin our set a little bit more. One cool feature that the very first app I showed you, Solar System HD Pro, has is that you can view certain spacecraft which have been sent out to the solar system. Only 6 or 7, but you can do capture of those spacecraft if you like. You can't fly them. But moving on to Solar System 3D, get to choose the quality for performance's sake. It's not too bad actually, this one. Has its own soundtrack. Again, as you may have noticed, you can turn that off if you like. But this one's not too bad. I've got some use out of this. The front mode is pretty good on this one. It's IO. There are ads in the version I've got, which are annoying, but you can always crop them out. Once you do a screen capture, you can always crop it out using whatever video editing package you have. It's starting to rain on the roof of my car right now. I'm in my car doing this. So, excuse the noise. So, here's a little mode this app has. A comparison of objects in the solar system, size comparison. That's great if you're doing homework, but I don't really use it that much. So, back to business. Central Earth, the nice side of Earth, South America there. Let's check out spaceship mode. Now, the controls in this are a little less obtrusive. You can get rid of the ads, I believe. I haven't tried to yet. But, again, you can always capture your little flight through the solar system and then just edit out all the bits and pieces at the top and bottom of the screen. I've done that. And that works just fine. So, okay. Pretty decent range of places you can visit. Jupiter, I'm not sure why there's shadow on both sides of the planet. Again, like I said, these smartphones are pretty good, but, they have their limitations. You can turn the playtimes off too, so if you want to do like a quote-unquote authentic trip through the solar system, you can just have literally no labels, no place names, no nothing, and just fly around. The backdrop on this is pretty good, I think. Of all the apps I've showed you, the backdrop of the Milky Way in this one, and the night sky is the best. Quite pretty. So let's take a flight to Io, the most volcanically active body in the solar system with over 400 active volcanoes. Nasty, nasty place. But they're thinking of sending a probe out there, or there's talk of it. Now, I'm not part of the inner circle of these space agencies, obviously, so don't take my word for it, but that's what I heard. I heard my guy, you know what I mean? I know. Just get out of the way before we crash into it. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, you know. You can see it's slightly blocky there when you get close. A bit angular, but if you're, within the app moving away from the planet or body, you don't really notice it. And there's Jupiter with that weird shadow. I don't know what that is. But there. Scooter and Jupiter. There's Milky Way there. Beautiful. So we've just shot past Jupiter. Io again. Turn off spaceship mode and you're back. Let's check things out. You can donate, change quality, etc. Whole pile of settings, lights, labels, so on and so forth. It's a lot of fun. These apps are a lot of fun, but they're also educational. So you can learn and make videos at the same time. That's what I've been doing. I hope you've been enjoying them. Please subscribe to my channel. It's a lot of fun having along. A lot of fun showing you all this stuff, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Keep watching.